Started?
Of course.
Come on.
It's his favorite thing in the world.
There we go.
Lucky boy.
I'm happier than him now.
I don't think so.
What's your name?
Emma.
Emma, Jem.
Hi, Jem.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, we literally call that his favorite. So he knows his name.
It looks like. Did you like it?
Stanley, is he your new favorite person?
How old is he?
9.
9.
He's older, yeah.
9 years with you? Okay. It's like your best friend now.
Yeah, he's been with me through a lot for sure. Okay, I think you got it all, buddy.
Yeah, you cannot eat the can.
Oh,
I see what he likes.
oh yeah. Stanley. Buddy.
Alright.
Thank you.
Hmm?
Say thank you. Think it's gone, dude.
Yeah. How is your day going?
Good.
Good.
Yeah.
Speed?
A hot dog, so we gotta take it for a swim every so often.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Buddy, there's nothing left in there.
Let me take.
Take it away.
Okay, that's finished. Huh? Are you happy now? Huh? Are you happy now? Okay, bye.
So lucky. You're the luckiest boy in the world. I know, I saw the whole thing. Cool.